Hi guys. I have another game for us to do today with beginning sounds of words. So our owl over here is going to be holding a object, and then we are going to choose the letter that it starts with. So this first one is an apple. Apple. Which one of these letters says a? A says a. This is a ball. Ball. Which one of these letters says b? That would be our B. This is a cat. Cat. Which one of these letters says the k sound? That would be C. Our next picture is of a dog. Dog. And which one of these letters says D? It's kind of hard because they all kind of look similar, but it's the D. This one's a D. Which one of these letters says elephant? Elephant. And they gave us all of our vowels, and think about which one says like ed. That would be E. Our next picture is of a fish. Fish. Which one of these letters says that sound? That would be F. Which one of these letters does goat start with? Goat. Is it a G, a Q, or a J? Would be a G. Our next one is a horse. Horse. Is it a K, an H, or an F? That one's an H. Our next picture is of a igloo. Igloo. It sounds like the word that starts with itch. Itch. Which one of these letters says I? That would be I. Now we have a jellyfish. Jellyfish. Which one of these letters says J? That'd be J. Our next one is a kite. Kite. Is it a T, S, or K? That one is K. Our next picture is ladybug. Ladybug. Is it a T, an I, or an L? That one would be an L. Our next picture is of a monkey. Monkey. Is it an M, N, or W? That one would be an M, like man. This is a funky animal. This is called a narwhal. Narwhal. Like nut. Is it a U, an M, or an N? That would be an N. We should all know what letter this one starts with. This is an octopus. Octopus. And this matches our letter card. So we know that this one is an O. This one is a pig. Pig. Is it a B, a P, or a Q? That one's a P. This is a question mark. Question mark. Is it a D, a P, or a Q? This one's a Q, because Q says qua. Rainbow. Rainbow. Is it an R, an N, or a U? That one's an R. This is a sun. Sun. Is it a T, an S, or a C? That one would be an S. Turtle. Turtle. Is it an L, an F, or a T? Hopefully we all know that this one is a T, like top. Umbrella. Umbrella. Like up, What letter says Would be a U. This is a volcano. Volcano. Is it a U, a V, or a W? This one's a V. Watermelon. Watermelon. Which letter says W? That would be a W. Because we know that W says W and not D. Okay, this one's a little different. Which letter makes the ending sound, the last sound in the word fox? Which letter says X? That one would be X. And this picture matches our letter card 2 for X. This is a ball of yarn. Yarn. Is it V, Y, or U? Would it be Y? And our last one, zipper. Zipper. Which letter says Z? That would be Z. Nice job, guys. I hope that you guys liked this game, and I hope you guys did the letter matching game, and I'm going to make some more videos of these different games that we can play together. And yeah, hopefully you guys are still watching my videos. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow.